okay. Sorry about the shit quality. Nintendo's cameras... I'm filming this on a 3DS. Um, these cameras aren't designed for YouTube blogging. But I figured I'd try anyway. And... yeah? Okay. It's funny, it seems a lot easier to talk in your head than it is out loud, especially to a camera. Even a sorry excuse for a camera. It's even easier to talk on Tumblr, I think. That's probably why I always dump my thoughts on Tumblr. But anyway, I've got no money. I borrowed $7 from my brother to get some bloody coffee. So I gotta pay him back in the morning. But yeah, the last few days I've been getting coffee each night, downing about 1.5 liters, and yeah, my GitHub profile picture looks much better than this. What was I saying? Oh, I don't know. Basically, I've been downing a lot of coffee, and yeah, it's not helping my size. But it is helping me to get some work done, even if it's just a placebo. I don't care. What works, works. Okay. So, right now... oh, this screen needs cleaning. Right now, I am working on refactoring the server. I should get some screen recording software or something so I can actually put up proper devlogs. Told ya! Ellen DeGeneres' Pizza Bit. They're only just showing the Oscars, because there's more than one Oscar. Couple Charlies too. Yeah, my humour sucks. Anyway, because Elysian Shadows dev team, because they've started posting again, I figured, hey, I might as well start doing some devlogs too. So I don't really have much to show, but I will link my repository, my code, in the description, and I'll post this video to Tumblr. Hello, fuck you, Logan. And yeah, anyway, right now I'm just trying to refactor the server, because when I was originally getting the multiplayer to work, I was just trying to get it done. It's probably what I should do, but really, if you do that, you'll end up with a big ball of mud. So I started by separating the list of clients and the list of players from the main class, so they are their own module. I think I'm going to have a database connection in the player manager that will allow for automatic behind the scenes updating. I started reading about databases last night, but then I fell asleep. Like I said, I've been buying coffees each night. Like, not hot coffees, iced coffees. Like, I've got this thing for iced coffees, you know? It's just... oh, it's fantastic. It's not fantastic for my waistline. I won't show you in this video, but if you can tell from the size of my face versus my GitHub profile, I've put on a lot of weight, which sucks because anyway, it's all my weight loss effort is going down the drain right now, but it's not a priority. Anyway, enough about my ass. What was I saying? Okay, so basically I'm refactoring the server. I'm doing that in its own branch, so if you want to see it, you got to switch to that branch. I decided to switch to working on the server from the editor because because I didn't really know what the next step would be. Once I've refactored the server, I want to get at least a basic, even if it's just empty, you know, a basic world map, overworld working. I want to have the tiles being transferred from the server to the client, and then once I've got that going, I can post that as the next big milestone, you know? Anyway, that's the next 2 milestones. Refactoring the server and getting the maps being transferred from the server to the client. The next 2 big milestones. I actually completely rewrote my map server recently. If you've been following my Tumblr, you probably know that. Because I always post my code there. Anyway, you can see everything that I've done on my GitHub page anyway in the Tortuga repository. I will put the link in the description. Yeah? Anyway, got another 2 minutes 30 before this timer runs out. So anyway, I don't know what else to talk about really. So how's the weather like there? No. Terrible. Terrible. I'm also watching Indie Game the Movie. That's got new DLC. I'm watching that. Other than that, I'm just sort of, yeah, wasting time on Tumblr. Nothing different there. Oh, right now my project is open source, but I think if I want to sell this game eventually, I'll have to make it closed source. But that's not for a while now. Anyway, I don't think anyone actually pays attention to my code anyway. Nobody pays attention to anything I do, really. I wonder if Tortuga will ever actually be released. I've had this game idea for a long time, or some iteration of it for years and years. And I wonder, come June, it'll be a year since the old branch was started. I've scrapped that since, but still, it's a full year of actual development. What do I have to show for it?